Today we're going to be doing a review of this Union Safe Company. It's the personal portable security safe for your gun and front loaded gun. Okay, so here's the biting, whatever you want to say. You would think that it's double-sided. And it only has one side to it, the other side is not. It opens, there's cable, and instructions. I'm going to put a PPU in here. We'll take the cable out. I don't need that right now. I'm going to lock it up. Now, it's got nice hard construction. Can't access the pins. Pop it open, you can draw it out, but it can make a lot of noise. People say, well, you can use tools like this, and you can take and pick it. Yeah, you can. It's gonna take time. When you get a set of these, this is what the stupidity of the internet is. This set here was like $5. Versus this set here was like $20 from China. You even got that on eBay. And this is called Jiggler's Key, by the way. I got the PPU. And I'm ready to go. So, if it's just safe, go with a different lock. So I gotta tell you, $5, 5 seconds, and everything. I do these videos to take and show you how to make your stuff better, not to show criminals how to get into your stuff. They already know about this thing. You, the homeowner, don't. That's why I tell you and make these videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe. We'll see you next time.